Good morning, friends. Today, myself Jitendra Jain from New Step Academy, Karavli. As you know, that earlier we have completed a chapter that is number for class 5th. Now, today we are going for the second chapter is addition and subtraction for class 5th. Today I am not taking the class at on board because of the some word problems are there, so huge time is subtraction. As you have learned in your earlier classes that the simple addition and subtraction like 406 and 313, so we will add this number from the starting from ones, then tens, and then from hundreds. Now 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. This is we call simple addition. Now further we are going for the addition with carry. Now you will create addition here. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. You get 12 and you have to return here the ones positions digit is 2 and the tens position is going for carry. Now we put here 1. Now again we add this number. 1 plus 2 equal to 3 and then plus 8 equal to 11. Now the number is 11. Again same condition. The ones position is 0, tens position is 1. Put your ones position at here and the tens position take carry at here. Now the addition is 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Their answer is 912. Now as it is, we are going for the subtraction is also. The subtractions like 7 to 7, 727, 206. Now we subtract 7 minus 6. 6 from 7. So that is 1. Again 0 from 2. It is again 2. Again 2 from 7. It is 5. This is called a simple subtraction. Now we are going for the subtraction with carry. For that we have this subtraction. Already we have written it for saving the time. Now 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Now you see that 5 minus 7. This is not possible because of the 5 is small digit and 7 is a bigger digit. So we will take carry from here. The next, this is ones position, this is tens position, this is 100 positions. So now we are taking a carry from 100 position to tens position. So we will simply cut this number and this number become less by 1. We cut this number and this number will become 1 less as 4 and the 1 is going here and we put this number. Now this number is not come in your subtraction. Now the number is 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. Now 4 minus 2. Also we are taking here not 5, it is taking only 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. This is called your subtraction. You have learned this type of subtraction in your earlier classes. Now the some word problems are there. So we have written already. Just your word problems. 185 boys and 162 girls are studying in a class. What is the total number of students? Now you have to find out the total number of students. What is total? So that means total, that show you that you have to add both numbers. So we will write the total boys are 185. The total girls are 162. Now give addition. The simple additions we have also do on the earlier page. The 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 8 plus 6 is equal to again 14. So we have to put here 4 and 1 will go here for carry. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. The total students is 347. Now again we will see the next word problem, that is गीता's father sell pots. गीता के फादर हैं जो सेल करते हैं पोट्स को. हर फादर बुल्स 523 पोट्स इन अ डे. एक दिन में उन्होंने 523 पोट्स बनाए. ऑफ विच, उसमें से 484 वर सोल्ड आउट. उसमें से 484 पोट्स द गीता's father has sold out. Then how many pots are left? The word is left unsold. That means you have to find out the subtraction. Because of you have to find the figure that how many pots are left behind at the home. So now we will write build-up pots in a day, that is 523. Now we will go for how many pots we have solved. We have solved 484 pots. The pots are 484 and you have to find out subtraction. Put your sign for subtraction and then now the 3 and 4. Again the same problem. 3 is a small digit and 4 is a big digit. So we will go for again to take carry from here. This number remain from 2 to 1 and this number become 3 to 13 because tens positions number 1 is here. Now 13 minus 4, that is your 9. That is your 9. Now we go for second line. Second line for tens. Now number is 1 and 8. Again same problem. The 1 is small digit, 8 is bigger digit. So we have to go again to 5 and become 4 and 1 will be give here. Now the number become 11. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3 and then 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So how many pots are unsold? That is 39. The 39 pots are unsold. Okay. Now we will go for the next chapter. We have in our class 5th that numbers are also given in Hindi. For your example 1 is will written here just like this. 2 you can write this. You have to make a note here. Now the 3 is written same but you have to make a note. 4 this is also a different number. You have to write down these types. The 5 you can write as a y. 6 you can write. The 3 is different is just like this. The 7 is also you can write here. 8 this is also typical letter. You have to write here this like. You have to make a first line, then you have to make C type and this. And the 9 is very simple number. This you can write here and sometimes it is also written like this. The 10 is 1 and 0. Okay. So you have to given us some problems in also Hindi numbers is also there, just like for your addition 123 and 457, the addition of this number. So you have to do this addition in your Hindi letters, यानी हिंदी digits के अंदर. तो 3 plus 7 it become 10. 1 is carry. Now 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 5 it's 8. Now we will go for third line, that is 1 and 4, that is 5. The answer is 480. Okay. Now some of the problems we have also written here, that is the different types of some problems, because of your exercise will contain so many types of problems. So now see this problem. Find out the sum of the greatest 4-digit number and the greatest 3-digit number. The problem is saying not figure but given a hint to you the greatest 4-digit number and the greatest 3-digit number. So you have to write down the first of all the greatest 4-digit number. The greatest 4-digit number is 9999, and the greatest 3-digit number is 999. तो स्टूडेंट्स आपको इस चीज का जरूर ध्यान रखना है कि जब भी आप दो डिफरेंट डिजिट के नंबर्स लिखते हैं तो यू शुड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम वंस. Whenever you write 9999, the second number will start from hundreds position. So you have to write start from ones, tens and hundred. If you write the number is here, then you will go for a mistake. Now the simple addition is also there. 9 plus 9 is 8 and 1 is carried here. Again 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 1, 19. 19, 9 is here, 1 is again carry forward. 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1, that is again 19 and 1 is carry over. Then 9 plus 1, it will become 10. The answer is 10,998. Now again we are going for the same type of another a problem, that is sum of two number is. Now you have given the addition of both the numbers, that is sum of two number is 7678. If one number is 4613, अगर इन दो नंबर के एडिशन में से एक नंबर यदि आपका 4613 है तो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द सेकेंड नंबर. नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द सेकेंड नंबर. द सेकेंड नंबर, द सम ऑफ टू नंबर्स आर 7678. Now the one number is 4613. Now what you have to do, you have to subtract this number because this is the total of two number and this is the one number. So whenever you subtract one number from total, you will find out the another number. Now you do subtraction. 8 minus 3 equal to 5, 7 minus 1 equal to 6, 6 minus 6 equal to 0 and 7 minus 4 equal to 3. Now you can see that if you add this both number, you will find this number. 5 plus 3 8, 6 plus 1 7, 0 plus 6 6, 3 plus 4 7. So right, this is your answer. The second number is 3065. Now the last question we have seen today. This type of question is also you will get in your examination. That the question is Mohan has 10,000 rupees. मोहन के पास में 10,000 रुपए हैं. He bought wheat for 4,500 rupees. उसमें से उसने wheat यानी कि गेहूं खरीद लिए 4,500 रुपए के. And rice, और राइस खरीदे for rupees 1,600 के उसने राइस खरीद लिए. How much money was left with him? अब उसके पास में कितना मनी रहा. Now we will see Mohan's total money is 10,000 rupees. The total money is 10,000 rupees. Now the Mohan's total expenses. For wheat, how much he expense? That is 4,500 rupees. And for rice, he will give rupees 1,600. Now you have to add this both number because of you have to find out the total expense. So the total expense is 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 6 11, 1 is carried here. Then now 5 plus 1 6. The total the expense of Mohan's is 6,100. Now we will see the total money the Mohan has rupees 10,000. How much? 10,000. Total expense they have done, that is rupees 6,100 rupees. Now total money he have, total he expense. Yes. So now we will go for subtraction. The subtraction is just like 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. Now 0 a small digit, 1 is a big digit. So now we will go for here, but now you see that it is also 0. It can't give any number. So you have to go for 1. So now you should cut 1. The remaining number is 9. Sorry, you should take this number, the 10, that is 9, and this number will go for 10. Now 10 minus 1 is it 9, and the 9 minus 6 equal to 3. The total remaining money for Mohan is 3900. This type of problems are also coming in your examination. So you have to do first of all addition, then you have to do subtraction. Okay, now we will give you some more questions, valuable times. Thank you so much.